Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news we have An Enemy Battler of a Lady Knight by Ujie Masara, a sprite pack of simple space items and crafts by Kenny, a tileset pack of an isometric library, another isometric pack of prototype tiles, and another one of abstract platformer blocks by Kenny, a tileset pack for an isometric dungeon crawler by Max Parata, and lastly, an article tutorial by Avery on making our own diagonal walls. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.
Сияет во тьме.